Conference muted.
Okay, we are muted. We've got Boomer. Are you on the speaker code?
Yes, I am. I'm right here.
All right, fantastic. Well, guys, today is the first Breakfast Club of 2012. Happy New Year to everyone. We are poised to have an absolute, exciting, and explosive 2012. We are at the right place at the right time with the right company that has the right product to help people, individuals and families and business entities of all types, both for-profit and even non-profit businesses, protect their assets and their wealth by owning Carrot Bars, and you can also build a substantial income referring people, individuals, families, business entities to this wonderful program. And finally, folks, we have a program where no one can get hurt, and I don't know if anybody is keeping their eye on gold this morning, and just as our analysts have projected, gold is up over $30 an ounce. One little fun fact to know is that the spot price that Carrot Bars lists for their 1 gram Carrot Bar is listed in your back office, and the spot price lags the market by 1 day. And what that means is that when you see a day like today where the price is going up a lot, today's what I would call a buy day. If you have not purchased gold, you need to do that today, because tomorrow you'll wake up and you'll see an increase in the price, $1 to $1.50, maybe even more if gold continues to rise throughout the day. So that's just a little tactical maneuver that you can squeeze out more profits by knowing what days are buy days, and today is definitely a buy day. So with that in mind, what I would like to do today, and I think Boomer agrees that we would like to, if you are on your computer, like you to go to kbsuccessuniversity.com. And we're going to go ahead and introduce that, kbsuccessuniversity.com. And kbsuccessuniversity.com is the training portal that once you register a new member starting January 15th, we will have one website and one website only to send your new members, whether they're customers or affiliates, to get all the training they need in order to be successful at whatever level they want to focus on. So what I want everybody to do again is go to kbsuccessuniversity.com. And if you use Mozilla Firefox, you need to bookmark that site. If you're using any other browser, you need to make it a favorite of yours, because this is you're going to be your main go-to website. And even though it has not officially launched yet, it kind of has. And Maximilian Williams is already authorized us to send people and get them in a habit of going to this website. And once you do, you'll see the tabs at the top there: home, blog, training, top producers, KBTV, which KBTV is a streaming online television network that we will be doing webinars on, and we will be communicating with the Carrot Bars Nation with videos and presentations using that portal. And then, of course, you'll also have a presentation tab where you'll have live presentations as well as recorded ones. And the events are going to be listed there. And then it's going to have a shop portal as well. One of the really neat features of this Carrot Bars Success University is it's also going to have a barter area where you'll be able to actually use your Carrot Bars as real money at spot price, and use them if you want to purchase products and services outside of the World Orem portal that's also going to be available January 15th. Guys, that's just 12 days away. So we just kind of wanted to give everybody on the Breakfast Club today some insider information and make you aware of this website. And then what I would like everybody to do is, with your mouse, just mouse over where it says Top Producers. And and you'll see a drop-down box there. And that one-on-one is going to be training videos on how to present this to someone on a one-on-one basis. Below that, you've got small businesses. This is a training portal that will show you and display in video format how you actually present this to a small business owner. You know, there's a lot of businesses out there that do have private retirement plans for their employees. And as you know, or may not know, most of these private retirement plans, whether it be IRAs, Keogh plans, or 401ks, they send their employees home with a sheet of paper derivatives that they can invest their money in. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, they're all paper derivatives, and they have not performed well at all. Last year, very, very poor returns. This year, probably even worse. And business owners know that, they've got a problem with that. And people work 20, some 25, 30, 35 or more years to accumulate their private retirement plans, only to see the current economic conditions erode their portfolio with poor performance, and then you've got inflation eating away at those paper derivatives like a cancer does. So when you'll be able to actually click on that small business portal, and it'll take you to a training platform where it will show you how to sit down with a business owner and actually show them the Carrot Bars opportunity as an alternative to their private retirement plans for their employees. Then you've got another one below that called Agents and Advisors. This is going to be geared to show an agent, whether it's an insurance agent or a real estate agent, people that are professionals in the business world that are used to working as a 1099 independent contractor. And they will have training videos on how to present this to them as a supplement to their income. And then last but not least, fundraising. How to present Carrot Bars International to a nonprofit organization as a fundraising vehicle. And just those three areas right there, small businesses, agents and advisors, and fundraising, is going to train and equip the Carrot Bar nations of people to go out and present this very professionally, very adequately, and very effectively, no matter where you are, whatever country, and it'll also have things in every language. So we want you to just kind of poke around on this site, and of course make that a favorite or bookmark it so you won't have to type it into your browser all the time. But this main page and the some of the links on the main page are all going to be free, no cost whatsoever. But to fully utilize this KB Success University portal, where you'll have access to KB TV and all the different aspects of it, and all the training modules and videos, it is a $19.95 optional cost per month. So this is going to be a very welcome addition. And, of course, I want to stress that word. It is optional. You don't have to pay for that. But if you want access to all the goodies on the site, you know, $20 a month, less than $20 a month is really not much at all compared to the training and the information and knowledge that this will present to each and every person that you bring into the business, including yourself. So, Boomer, do you have anything you want to add before we open the line for questions?
Sure. Remember, the system itself gives you your time back. The most precious asset you have is time. It's not money. So, but as your business grows bigger, you end up running out of time if you don't have a system. If your goal is to create residual income, and because without that you will fail financially, I don't care how good you are at what you do. If you can't do it anymore, there comes a time when you want to stop doing that. The only way you're going to make it is with residual income. And we've been seeing what's going on with anything that has to do with paper and the transition of that fiat paper money in trouble. So, I just want to point out that the company Carrot Bars is obviously funding a gross share of this when we get it for $19.95 if you have a streaming TV bandwidth going on. I just want to point that out because if we're in a global movement and we're moving forward, it is important to pass a compliant message across the globe which doesn't interfere with other countries' regulations and put us into a different classification than we are in, which is operating above that means. And our message of uniformity is what will build our strength and confidence and belief across the globe. So I am completely on board with the advent of our training system because it's going to allow you as an individual to even hand select an area you want to go in. You could replace your income with this if you get busy and go to work with it, and you could even specialize in a certain area. That agents and advisors are people with databases, and I think we all have them. You probably have more than enough people in your own checkbook that you make payments to over the course of a year that have fallen into those categories. And remember, our program here is a solution to the world's currency, debt, and savings, challenges here. So, with it, it's a knit hand-to-hand situation that's going to help all of us, you, me, the company, our movement, and countries are going to be aided because if people fall when the currency takes a nosedive, it's math. When it takes a nosedive, you will be protected, which means you're not going to be a burden on the country's infrastructure dependency. And I highly encourage you to make 2012 your year to bring out the best in you. Bring out the best in you and be the kind of person that amplifies your character when nobody's looking. And you know what, guys? We have got the best fruit of any tree I've seen. And we're looking forward to you being showcased on Carrot Bar's Success University and your success. We want to hear from you and your testimony. So with that, I'm going to hand this back to Joe here, and then maybe we'll walk through some more of this.
Okay, thank you, Boomer. And interestingly enough, I have a kitco.com, my homepage of my web browser up, and gold prices have gone up $6.50 in the last 12 minutes that we've been on the Breakfast Club. Guys, it's already starting, and the U.S. dollar is weakened today quite a bit, and gold prices are soaring as we speak. So again, I want to just stress today is a buy day. If you have not funded your plan, if you have not made your gold purchase, and even if you have, you certainly can't go wrong adding to your portfolio today, because we know the KB spot price lags the market by 1 day, so you're going to see a tremendous escalation in the price of Carrot Bars when you check your dashboard tomorrow morning. So Visa and MasterCard is the fastest way to lock in your price. If you use a bank wire transfer or any other method of getting money to the company, it can take 2 to 3 days, and in that period of time we could have a $100 move in gold. So timing is everything, especially when it comes to the gold market. So also want to bring to your attention, recorded a new video this morning, a full, complete presentation of the Carrot Bars business model, and you can find that at youtube.com/MyKBGoldUS. And it's also posted at carrotbarstv.com. So just use that video to show prospects, and I think it'll give them the complete picture from start to finish, and I think it'll be a yes waiting to happen, so you're all welcome to use that video. So what we'll do now is open the line for questions. If anyone has a question, press 5* on your telephone keypad, 5-star, will raise your hand. Questions about KB Success University, questions about purchasing gold, anything that you guys have on your mind, just go ahead and press 5-star on your keypad. That will raise your hand. I see Barron's got a question. I'm going to unmute your line, Barron. Go ahead and fire away, my friend. Barron, let me unmute. There we go. Okay, sorry. Go ahead, Barron.
Okay, I'll try again. Well, I just said Happy New Year to everybody. I was told that this month, if you purchased gold using the invoice, which is right there, to go ahead and make the changes and so forth, blah, 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 that you can go back in and make an additional purchase to your monthly purchase amount. And you cannot.
Well, that's right, but it's not available yet. It could be any time today, tomorrow. I contacted corporate yesterday and again this morning, and the programmers are working on getting that functional ASAP. That's their highest priority, and it may be available today, so just keep checking, Barron.
Okay, I will. I have another one, if I may.
Okay, go ahead.
It's got a large corporation that I'm about to talk to. There's a member inside there that I have a connection with, and I'm not quite sure exactly which would be the best approach for me to use, and we're just looking for any kind of help in that area.
Well, I mean, if it were me, I would first of all, you have an appointment with them?
Yes, I do.
With the decision maker?
With the individual that does promotions for the company. In other words, for ideas in order to promote the company's business. That individual's who I have an appointment with.
Okay. Well, I think when it comes to promotions, they may want to consider doing a customized branded carrot bar with their artwork on it.
Mm-hmm.
And the minimum order is 1,000 of the carrot bars, and if they can commit to and prepay for 1,000, submit their artwork, our refinery can do carrot bars customized with their logo or whatever they want on it.
But in order to get them to, just initially to the whole concept of one carrot bar, should I send them to this new movie that you just said just a few minutes ago?
That would be a good place, or just send them to carrotbarstv.com and let them have access to the whole menu of videos. And
okay.
Like going into a restaurant, you get handed a menu, and they may not like chicken, but they might like beef. They may not like meat. They might like a vegetarian. Everything's there, and hopefully they'll see something on the menu that piques their interest. They'll start watching videos and hopefully get fascinated by the whole concept and watch most or all of the videos on that page. And if that happens, as you know, Barron, it's a yes waiting to happen.
Yeah. Okay, super. And one other item, please. On this system, the software does not allow, at least I'm not aware of it, does not allow me to see anywhere in here the commission breakdown with each individual purchase how's I can say it? Is there going to be something that's going to be printed where you can go in, look, see your commission structure month to month to month to month, where you can just keep track to make sure that it is accurate?
Yeah, it's already there. You just haven't found it yet. And are you on the site now?
I am.
Okay. What you want to do is mouse over affiliate stats. Click on commissions. And there's your line items, each and every purchase in your organization. The purchase amount, the commission run, which run it was, where it came from, and who made the purchase, and the date of the purchase. It's all every line item is there for each purchase.
Okay.
It has 5 different tabs. Has the cab bonus. Right next to that is residual commission. Right next to that, one-time commission, and right next to that, the global pool, and right next to that, the other pool.
Okay. This just may sound very stupid, but in regards to the points, this is where the points is placed also, isn't it?
No.
Pardon?
No. Points, mouse over affiliate stats, and click on personal referrals. And there's your points all the way on the right-hand side. It has the people on that level 1, and how many points are coming out of that line, and how many new contracts are coming out of that line.
Okay. Now, does it change every month and go back to 0?
Yeah, sure, yeah, absolutely. It starts at 0, and these are all new points and new contracts.
Okay.
So if you want to keep a running record, just print this out at the end of each cycle, which, by the way, the commission cycle runs from the 11th to the 10th of each month. So we've got, including today, 7 days before this current cycle closes and a new one starts, and then the commissions from this cycle will be paid out February 1st.
Okay.
Right onto your debit card.
Okay, super. And if the payout to the debit card is incorrect, so I just send a support tab to KB?
Just call me early in the morning, and you can call me on Skype is the best way to do it. That way I can immediately drag Thomas Schroner, one of the office people, into the call. If you wait till after 9 a.m. Eastern Time, they may be unavailable because they're 6 hours ahead of Eastern Time. So when it's 9 a.m. here in Ohio, it's 3 p.m. in Stuttgart, Germany. Like right now, it's 5:30 in the afternoon. They're not in the office.
Okay. I'll give you a call tomorrow morning, and would it be 6 o'clock my time?
I'm
in California.
Yeah, it would have to be 6 a.m. your time, yeah.
Is that good? Is that a good time?
Sure. Works for me.
Okay. I'll do it tomorrow. Thank you for your help. That's good. I'm done.
Okay, Baron. Okay. Any other questions? If you have one, press 5-star. 5-star on your keypad. I see one from, someone that has a phone number ending in 8144. The phone number ends in 8144. Your name, please, and what's your question?
Hi, my name is Timothy Persons, and my question is how my friend Agaj in Phoenix introduced me to KB Gold, and I know...
you there?
Hello?
Yeah, you had a call waiting.
Okay, yes. Hello?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, thanks. So is there a way to get on a monthly auto ship, or where I can be investing weekly and to get gold, or is there a card sent to me? I'm very new at this, so I just wanted to...
Okay. There's no auto ship. You own, manage, and control your account just like you would an online bank account. Online bank accounts don't have auto ship, and nor does Carrot Bars International. It's a financial services company, and you pick the time and the day that you want to fund your account or exchange paper money for Carrot Bars, and you do that through your back office.
Excellent.
They are coming out in the near future with a set it and forget it. I guess it's not an auto ship, but it's a set it and forget it where you'll be able to select a certain day that you want to, if you want to deploy like a dollar cost averaging approach.
I see.
Yeah, that's coming.
Excellent. So, well, I thank you. My question was simple, but I'm just getting going, and it sounds like the fantastic way to have gold.
You know, it really is, and we're very excited about the growth that we've seen, but we haven't seen anything yet. This is going to really be something special. All right. Well, thank you for your question, Timothy, and welcome aboard. And
thank you.
Go ahead and remute your line here. And any other questions? 5-star. I see Donna has a question. Donna, I unmuted your line. Go ahead with your question. Donna?
Yes, good morning. I've been trying to finish a transaction that I started yesterday, and because I was waiting to be approved. I've been approved, and I was not able to finish my transaction. My credit card continues to not go through. I know it's good. I've used it for other things. So I don't know the last time if it actually went through or not. So how long does it take to
Just
show
go into are you in your computer right now? Are you on your computer?
I am on my computer.
Okay, log into your account.
Yep.
Mouse over Gold Account, and you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on Transaction History.
Right, that was my question. How long does it take to show up there?
Well, if the order went through, it'll be there.
Okay, then it didn't go through.
Okay, then if it didn't go through, mouse over Gold Account.
Yep.
Click on Invoices. If you have a Pay Now button there, that means the order did not go through before.
Okay.
And all you have to do to execute your order is click Pay Now.
Hey, Joe, can I interject for real quick? Donna, did you call the number on the back of your card?
Okay.
To make it a seamless transition, I never use Windows Internet Explorer. And number 2, always call the number on the back of the bank card if you're using the bank card, because the card service number is many times is an entirely different company subcontracted out from the bank. And their goal is to protect you from any fraud, okay? So they have, when the mortgage meltdown went down, just like American Express cut their $25,000 limit customers, gold customers, down to $2,500, they have put in international transfer holdups unless they verify without a shadow of a doubt that you have pre-authorized it. So I highly suggest that everybody, when they first make an order, is that they pull the card out. If they're going to use a Visa or MasterCard, pull the card out, look on the back. There's a customer service number. Then call that number, and they're going to ask you 13 questions to verify that you are who you are. And then just tell them that you plan on making deposits to Carrot Bars International in Germany, and that they'll ask you what's the maximum amount you'll be transferring. They'll also ask you how many times a month you'll be doing that. Just you can make it overkill on each one, and then watch the transactions run through seamlessly. It's for your protection.
No, I appreciate that, and actually that was going to be my next action, was to call the credit card company, because I know I hadn't done anything wrong, and I know I have a limit that I can, it's no problem, so I wondered if that was the case. Thank you very much.
We're just trying to protect you, that's all.
Yep.
Good advice, Boomer. Attaboy. Okay, next question. Let's see, let me go ahead and lower your hand there, Donna. Remute your line. Thank you for your fantastic question. And any other questions? Press 5-star, and that will raise your hand. See one from someone new. This number ends in 2992. 2992. What's your question? What's your name? Who are you? And what's your question, please?
This is Deborah Burden from Cincinnati, Ohio. How you doing?
Hi, Deborah. We're doing fantastic.
New year, new happenings. Okay, with Carrot Bar, my question is in regard to the cards that you purchase. When you buy the 3-pack, okay, those cards are accessible to your balance in your account, right?
The demo cards?
Yeah, the demo cards.
Those are actually delivered to you, so you'll have physical possession of those.
Okay. Are they used like a debit card?
No, there's no magnetic strip on it. It's just gold that's embedded in a plastic card that looks like a credit card. And the reason why they do that, several reasons, but the main reason is 24 karat 999.9 gold is so soft. It would be damaged very, very easily or scratched, and so they embed them in these cards to protect the integrity of this very soft, pure bullion.
Okay. Now, if you wanted to transfer those cards to someone, let's say that's an investment, is there a way to prove value of the card?
Well, they're LBMA certified. There's an LBMA certified assayer's stamp on each card that certifies the bullion for purity and weight. They are impossible to counterfeit. Each one has a unique serial number and hologram that makes counterfeiting impossible. And the LBMA certification is the very highest grade, if you will, that any mint or refinery can achieve. And it makes that bullion so it's always recognized for purity and weight by banks, financial institutions, and merchants worldwide. And it's the only form of gold that is the case.
And it doesn't lose its value when it leaves the vault.
Right. Right.
Okay. Okay. Well, thank you for answering my question. I appreciate that.
You're welcome. Good question, and thank you for your participation. Okay. I think I see Barron with his hand raised again. Let's go back to Barron. Go ahead, Barron.
Yep. There was a purchase that was done yesterday, and usually it's instant, and it's not showing up anywhere. Is there a reason they're a day behind?
Probably didn't go through.
It was a bank holiday.
Yeah.
Did you do a bank wire transfer, or did you do...
No, it was a credit card.
Credit card. Okay. Did you check on your transaction history?
Yeah, I'm in the transaction history, and it's not showing there. It's not showing anywhere, but on the invoice, the purchase now thing is gone.
The purchase now thing is gone.
Right. You know where it says the invoice, the one that you can purchase for this month?
Yeah.
Well, it's gone.
Did you try to do a monthly purchase plan? Transaction?
Yeah, a special monthly purchase plan. I have a client who wanted to finish out the 100 bar.
You can only do that once a month. If they've already
I know that.
Yeah. Then,
well, I was doing it for January. And
okay, but this cycle goes from December 11th to January 10th.
Then why was there on the invoice section, it says, buy now for 2012. It was there.
Well, I'll tell you what, Barron, why don't you get a hold of me after the Breakfast Club? We'll sort out something is
okay, that's a good idea. Thanks, Joe. I will.
Just call me after the Breakfast Club.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Hey, Joe.
Yeah.
Joe, let me point this out. The Pay Now button on the invoices repopulates after the commission run has been done by the corporate, and it may not be able to be processed until till after that, but it will repopulate itself.
Right, but we'll sort that out when Barron calls me. Okay, any other questions? 5-star. If you have a question, it can concern anything regarding to our business model. Anybody have any questions at all, press 5-star. I don't see any other questions, so what I would do is just encourage everybody to keep their eye on carrotbarstv.com, become familiar with those videos. It's a good place to send people. Also, My Helping Hand Up, and he's got an intro URL too. Boomer, what's that one?
Carrot Bar's intro, like introduction.com.
Yeah, that's a fantastic place, and these are all generic. They're not coded to anybody. There's no phone numbers or email addresses. They're totally generic. It's just information only, and these have been built for our team to use as resources to not only learn yourself, but to send your prospects to to learn more about our opportunities. So I guess if there's nothing else, Boomer, do you have anything you want to add before we wrap up the call today?
Well, we have a webcast at noon Pacific and 3 p.m. Eastern today at carrotbarswebinar.info. That's INFO. And tomorrow, which is Wednesday, we have the KB Women's Call at 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern, as well as we have, you can see the full schedule of events, and that call is only once a month. So it's the first Wednesday of every month. Cindy Belmonte runs that and handles that. She does a fantastic job. She's just one of the top leaders in our company, and we're looking forward to that call. In any case, you can find all of our schedule of events in two places. Several places, carrotbarsinfo.com and also carrotbarsintro.com. You'll see that listed there as the button that says presentations, webinars, and Q&A.
Right. Okay, we got two more questions here. Susan, 3996, last four digits. Go ahead, Susan. Susan, you're unmuted. Go ahead, please.
Oh, I was muted here. Sorry. I just wanted to find out if I've been, it's qualified, I guess?
KYC approved?
Right.
All right. Did you log into your back office?
Okay. All right. I'm on KB Vision right now. Is that where I should be?
kb-vision.com.
Okay. Right. That's where I am. Yeah, I am at my site.
Vision.com. Log in.
Is that where let me see. My screen is
upper right hand side.
The login button was not there. I just enlarged the screen, so I'm sorry. So I just log in and then I'll find out. Is that right?
Well, it'll say right on your dashboard under personal details. It'll say KYC status approved or pending.
Okay.
Pending, it's not been approved yet. If it's approved, you are ready to go.
Okay. Very good. Thank you.
Okay. You're welcome. Good question. And I'll remute your line. I've got one from Bill Pratt. Bill Pratt, you're unmuted. Fire away.
Good morning, Joe.
Hi, Bill.
Hey, Bill.
How you doing? Quick question here. I was trying to make a purchase, but for some reason, when you get to the page where it's supposed to pop up the form you should fill out, it's not allowing this page to pop up. The only thing it's showing is the €500 purchase for the credit card, but it's not showing the entire form.
Okay. Try mousing over Gold Account, and then click on Invoices.
Yeah, I did that. I went through, did all that.
Does it have a Pay Now button there?
Yes, I went through all that. But when I wanted to change the amount, did that. And then when I click on the page, it won't just show just the bottom portion.
When you click on the page, it only shows the...
Yeah, it's only showing me where it says credit card information. It's not showing the top part of that, the form where you have to fill out your name.
Oh, they changed it.
Explain that, Boomer.
They used to have the page that you had to fill out in its entirety again with the personal information on the account to make the deposit under Heidel Pay. They streamlined that for us so that when you go to hit pay, the only part that comes up is the direct the credit card information that you intend to use to pay with it. So you can pay from one card or another card, etc. And they streamlined that for you, Bill, so it's not difficult. That whole page is not up there anymore as a courtesy and a time saver for the more friendly use of the system.
Okay, so when I click on the change the amount,
Yes.
it won't allow me to do that for some reason. When I get to where I'm at right now, where it's asking for the credit card information, it's just telling me to buy the 500 euros, and I was changing.
First thing you do is change the amount and then first use your mouse and change the amount and then hit save changes.
Okay. I'll try to.
Yeah, just put your mouse in that box and left click, and it'll put it in there, and then back out the 500 and then put in 520, and that'll cover the 3.5%.
Okay.
If you have any trouble, give us a call, okay?
All right.
Okay. You're welcome. All right, that takes care of Bill. And let me see if we have any other questions here, Boomer. Tom Richardson, fire away, my friend.
Hi, Joe.
Go ahead, Tom.
Happy New Year. I got a
Happy New Year to you.
Hey, Tom.
Hi, Boomer. Say the first question is there going to be any card bar changes on the Team One websites?
Yes.
And that'll be coming shortly.
Yeah, and literally any day, I'm told Jimmy's got his programmers working on that, making all the changes.
Okay.
It'll be seamless.
My second question is, what is going to be the relationship between KB Vision and Carrot Bars International, if any?
KB Vision is the same company. It's just been renamed and branded Carrot Bars International.
Okay.
It is the same company.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, Tom. Remute Tom and see if we have any other questions. If you have a question, 5 stars what you need to press. That will raise your hand. I'll see that on the dashboard here. 5 star. Going once. Going twice. There we go. Ron Smith, Texas. Go ahead with your question, Ron. Ron, are you there? Ron Smith.
Oh, yeah, hi. This is Ed. I'm a friend of Ron's.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Ed, how you doing?
Where does all the money go? Does this go to all the Germany or what?
What?
Where's the main,
when you make an exchange from your paper money there from whatever country, yes, it goes into the German bank. We also have, if you are in other countries that have their own deposit bank there are many countries that have their own. If you're doing by bank wire, they have an inter-country bank that you will deposit into. But all the money goes there. It's pulled out and then exchanged 100% for gold bullion in your account, and where you can self-manage and self-control your deposits and future uses with it coming. Stay tuned.
So where's the mine at again? The gold mine?
Turkey.
Gold is coming out of Turkey, and all our money's going to Germany. Is that right?
Mm-hmm. That's where a refinery is in Turkey.
Well, if you take delivery, Ron, of your bullion, the money's in your hands.
It's Ed on the line.
So all the money that's taken in, most of it's going to Germany.
Well, no, it's
not the United States.
It's exchanged for Carrot Bars, and if you take delivery of it, then you've exchanged.
So it's a German deal, huh?
But the company is headquartered in Germany. Yes. That's your question?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much. Got one more here. Oh gosh, this phone number ends in, let's see, 7317. 7317. I've unmuted your line. Go ahead with your question. Who is this?
Hi, this is BT.
BT. Okay, fire away, BT.
First off, Happy New Year to everybody. I'm in my back office, and I was going to purchase some more gold. I have a date of 16/12/2011. That should be 2012, correct?
What's the date say? Paid date?
My initial paid plan date was the 4th of December, and now they have the 16th of December. Says being processed.
Does it have a pay now button?
Yeah.
You haven't funded your account this cycle yet.
No, I was about to, but it has the year 11 instead of 12.
Well, that's because you haven't made a transaction in 2012 yet. If you do that today, you'll see today's date appear there.
Okay. And my other question is, can you estimate how long it will take to get your commissions?
Well, if you have commissionable activity this cycle, you'll receive your commissions on the 1st of February. In fact, that's the first of each month.
In the back office that I have some money coming to me. I was just wondering how long did it take?
Okay, what is your commissional? What does it say there? Does it say it's pending on your dashboard? If you mouse over affiliate stats and then commissions.
Yeah, I did that.
Okay.
And it says the amount is $84.22.
Okay, $84.22, and that was probably for last cycle. So anything over €20, they order your debit card from prepaid financial services, and then prepaid financial services will put your name on that debit card and then mail it to you. And if you have gone a cycle or two with no debit card, we have discovered a lot of people have thrown away their debit card. It gets delivered to you in a package that says prepaid financial services on it, and they don't recognize that. They think it's junk mail, and they throw it away. I have helped no less than 5 or 6 people that is exactly what happened. They did deliver the debit card, and they threw it away, even though it had money on it. One of those people had a significant amount of money on it, and they threw it away. So when your debit card is delivered, if you get a package that says prepaid financial services out of London, England, don't throw it away. It's your debit card.
I've been waiting for it.
Okay.
I've been looking for it.
Okay.
All righty then, I appreciate it.
You're very welcome. And let me see if there's any more questions. Thank you for that, BT. And 5 stars, what you need to press if you have a question pertaining to any aspect of the business model. 5 star will raise your hand and I'll unmute your line. Going once. Going twice. Last chance for questions. Okay, Boomer, that's a wrap. You want to wrap things up?
Think we're good, man. Hey, stay plugged in. We're going into a transition to our power curve here soon. I have no doubt that the politicians will find some way to tax you and spend your money. And we have a great solution if you're looking for one for that. So pass the message out, get some eyeballs on the plan, and I'm going to tell you right now, it will marinate on their brain even if they don't jump immediately. Watch.
All right, Boomer. For Big Boomer, this is Joe Norman here in Worcester, Ohio. Thank you guys for your input and attending today's Breakfast Club. And you guys have a fantastic day. We'll see you at the top.
Take care.